यदि यो भिडियो हेर्दै गर्दा तपाईँको मनमा ओ वाउ कस्तो खतरा कुरा गर्दैछ भन्ने मात्रै कुराहरू रह्यो भने म यो भिडियो बनाउनुमा फेल भएँ। बट if by the end of this video you feel like you have learned something new, gained clarity or understood UI UX design even a little better, then म यो भिडियो बनाउनुमा सफल भएँ। Welcome everyone to this brand new lecture video on Introduction to UI UX design. So grab your pen and notebook because we are going to have so much fun along the way. Here we go. Think about the last app you used today. Maybe Instagram, YouTube, or even your online food delivery app. Now tell me this. Why do you keep going back to it? Is it because of how pretty it looks? Or is it because it just feels effortless to use? The truth is, it's both. And that's where UI and UX design comes in. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what UI UX design is, why it matters, and how you can start learning it today, even if you are a total beginner. Before we jump into UI and UX, let's ask the bigger question. What is design? Design is not just about making things look good. Design is about solving problem in a way that's functional and beautiful. Think about the chair. If it looks stylish but collapses when you sit on it, bad design. If it's super sturdy but hurts your back, also bad design. But if it's comfortable, supportive, and look great in your room, that's good design. समग्रमा भन्नुपर्दाखेरि design is the sweet spot between usefulness and beauty. Now, let's zoom in. What exactly is UI? UI stands for user interface. It's everything you see on the screen when you use an app or a website. The buttons, color, text, images, icon, sliders, all of these are UI elements. Think of UI as the clothing of a digital product. Just like how clothes create your first impression when you meet someone, UI creates the first impression of an app or website. On the other hand, UX stands for user experience. It's about how you feel while using that app or website. For example, if you open a food delivery app, can you quickly find your favorite restaurant? Can you place an order without confusion? Does that app load smoothly without errors? That's UX. UX is less about looks and more about how it works. If UI is the clothes, UX is the personality of the person wearing them. Okay, let me make it crystal clear with an example. Imagine गर्नुस् तपाईँ भाटबढीमा हुनुहुन्छ, तपाईँ भाटबढीले एक्सप्लोर गर्दाखेरि तपाईले एउटा कुनाको पसलमा एउटा तपाईको फेभरेट कलरको स्निकर्स देख्नुभयो। अब तपाईँ के गर्नुहुन्छ? त्यो स्टोरमा जानुहुन्छ, त्यहाँ गएर तपाईँ त्यो जुत्तालाई हेर्नुहुन्छ, माइलो तपाईले जुत्तालाई पक्ड्नु भयो, तपाईले हातमा उठाउनु भयो र तपाईले मनमा भन्नुहुन्छ क्या कस्तो राम्रो सेपमा रहेछ यार, मेरै खुट्टाको नम्बरको साइजमा रहेछ, मेरै मनपर्ने कलरमा रहेछ. द्याट इज UI. UI इज हाउ इट लुक्स भने अब when you put on that shoes and try it, तपाईले त्यो जुत्ता लगाइसकेपछि तपाईले कस्तो फिल गर्नुहुन्छ? गुड, ब्याड, द्याट इज UX. हाउ इट फिल्स. अब तपाईहरु सोच्दै हुनुहुन्छ होला यो किन यति धेरै इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ? वेल, think about the app you use daily. Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat. यदि त्यो एपको डिजाइन चाहिँ एकदम क्लङ्की थियो or कन्फ्युजिङ लेआउट्सहरू थियो भने के तपाईँ त्यो एपलाई युज गर्नुहुन्थ्यो? Probably not. Instagram UI makes photos in real shine with a clean, simple layout. Even your bank apps. यदि त्यो बैंक एप्लिकेसनको एप चाहिँ poorly designed भएको छ भने नि you might not be using it. That's why good UI UX can make the difference between an app you love and one you delete in frustration. Since हामी यो इन्टायर सिरिजमा अलिक बढी फोकस UI डिजाइनमा गर्छौँ, त्यही भएर यसको नि केही प्रिन्सिपल्सहरू छ है। अब UI डिजाइन पेन्टिङ जस्तै हो तर विथ अ पर्पज। एज स्टिभ जब once said, design is not just about how it looks, it's about how it works. त्यही भएर there are few basic principles जुन चाहिँ हामीले डिजाइन गर्दाखेरि फलो गर्नुपर्छ। लाइक द्याट्स आर भेरी क्रुसल। सम अफ देम आर लाइक भिजुअल हायरार्की, एलाइनमेन्ट, कन्सिस्टेन्सी, कन्ट्रास्ट, स्पेसिङ, लेआउट्स, टाइपोग्राफी एन्ड कलर्स। यो सबै कुराहरू हामी वान बाई वान बिस्तारै पछि एक्सप्लोर गर्दै जान्छौँ। अहिलेसम्म हामीले UI भने के हो, UX भने के हो, अनि किन UI UX डिजाइन जरुरी छ त, अब इम्पोर्टेन्ट छ भनेर बुझ्यौँ। अब यसपछि बुझ्नुपर्ने कुरा के भन्दाखेरि हाउ, कसरी UI डिजाइन गर्ने त, और टुल्स के हो त, कुन टुल्सबाट चाहिँ हामीले UI डिजाइन गर्छौँ। इफ यु गो इन सर्च देयर आर डिफरेन्ट टुल्स लाइक Adobe XD, Sketch, but my personal favorite is Figma. And if you ask me why Figma, I will tell you. पहिले त यो फ्री टु स्टार्ट, इट्स भेरी इजी टु स्टार्ट। दोस्रो भनेको यो क्लाउड बेस्ड हो। एन्ड देन लास्टली बट मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेन्टली इट्स कोलाबरेटिभ। भन्नुको अर्थात् मैले बनाएको डिजाइन फाइल मैले तपाईँलाई सेयर गरेर हामी सँगसँगै काम गर्न सक्छौँ। एन्ड लाइक मार्केट डिमान्ड पनि अहिले यही नै छ। So it's perfect for beginners and professionals. In our next video, I will show you how to actually use Figma step by step to start designing your first interface. So we are at the end of our lecture, and to quickly summarize what we learned today, आज हामीले एक दुईवटा कुरा सिक्यौँ। लाइक डिजाइन भनेको एक्चुअलीमा प्रब्लम सल्भिङ रहेछ, एन्ड युआई भनेको चाहिँ कुनै पनि एप्लिकेसन अर वेबसाइट कस्तो देखिन्छ और लुक एन्ड फिल इज युआई युएक्स। हाउ इट एपियर्स इज युआई भने हाउ इट फिल्स इज युएक्स। एन्ड देन हामीले युआई युएक्सको इम्पोर्टेन्सको बारेमा बुझ्यौँ। एन्ड देन वी टक अबाउट टुल्स we can use to design UI. So if you want to dive deeper into UI design and learn how to actually design beautiful functional app and website using tools like Figma, this channel is your new classroom. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more beginners friendly UI UX tutorials, and share this with your friend who might also want to start designing. And before you go, drop a comment. Which app do you think has the best design? I would love to know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Sayonara.